Alright, today we have a quick unboxing from rlcubeshop. Alright, so I got some nice cube stands, which is pretty cool. I love these, and they make my collection look a lot cooler, so thank you. Alright, so today we are unboxing two Qiyi RS3 M's, custom magnetized. Another die-in Tengyun, which I already unboxed in another video, but I wanted to get another one for experimental purposes. And then an RS3 M. However, it's not the factory magnetized version. It has stronger magnets in it. So I'll unbox that one last because I already did another video on that. Let's start with these. There's going to be a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers of these puzzles. So please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me so I can keep making videos. And who knows, maybe you can get a Qiyi RS3 M. And I also have some other ones as well. So let's take a look. So this one is N52 strength, while this one is N42. So these are going to be, this one's going to be a little bit lighter than this one. Let's do them at the same time. Alright, so both of these have a really nice magnetic bump. And the cubes itself does have this matte plastic, and the color shades are a bit odd with the light blue, and the red is like more of a pinkish red. But other than that, I don't know, they're super cheap. These are actually really good puzzles, especially when magnetized. They're not amazing, but they're still pretty good. And however, they're super fast. It can go a full rotation in one, so you're definitely gonna need some lube to slow these guys down. It's very hard to control at the moment, so I have to turn very slowly. But they're very smooth puzzles, and with the magnets, it makes them a lot more stable and more controllable. So yeah, this is awesome. Thank you, rlcubeshop, for these. Alright, so next we have the RS3 M. But it has much stronger magnets than the factory magnetized version. Also comes with a tensioning tool or a screwdriver, which is nice. So yeah, this has a much nicer magnetic bump. So if you bought the RS3 M and thought, well, this is a good cube, but the magnet strength isn't, strong enough for me, rlcubeshop can take care of that for you. This is a perfect strength, and it makes the cube so much better. Let's get into some first turns. Yeah, this is also super fast, making it uncontrollable for now, but, performance is amazing for another really cheap budget puzzle. That feels smooth right out of the box as well. And yeah, I would totally recommend this puzzle. I think it's really good, especially with these higher strength magnets. But you can also customize them to what you want. You can choose at rlcubeshop what strength you want. But yeah, this is a great cube. Awesome. Alright, lastly we have a Tengyun V2M. Now, I already unboxed this in another video, so if you haven't seen that, check that out. But essentially, I just want to get another cube to experiment with, because there's so many different settings for elasticity and tensions, so I thought I would get this to try some new things. So right off the bat, you'll notice that it has a more matte finish to it. However, as I've seen with my first Tengyun V2M, this goes away very shortly. It's very hard to see on camera, but this surface is much more smooth and glossy than this one when you first unbox it. So that's something to note. Another thing is the feel is very different. So yeah, when you first unbox it, it's feels like paper rubbing against paper. So it's still smooth, but it's not quite the smoothness of, let's say, like the GAN X. It's sort of a different smooth. But it's still very nice, and it comes on the 2 magnet strength, which I said it was medium. The 3 strength was medium in my last video, but I have to correct that. The number 1 strength, while it's on 2 now, the 1 is very strong, and I'd say this one is medium right now, the 2. It's a really good strength. But it's important to note that, again, after some use and you break it in, the cube's feel becomes a lot more smooth, more like the GAN X, and less papery and sandy. But I still love the feeling outside of the box. So thank you for watching this short unboxing video. Huge thank you to rlcubeshop for sending me these cubes. If you want any of these cubes, buy them in the link in the description. Also, please subscribe. Once we hit 100, I'll be giving away the first Qiyi Warrior M cube. And, you know, every landmark from there, I'll continue to give away more cubes to anyone who comments. So, yeah, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked the video so that I can keep making videos like this. I would really appreciate it. Thanks.